What you reading, Eric? About the little engine and the toys it brings. It's a birthday train, and tomorrow's my birthday. Ha ha! Birthday train full of toys? I just can't believe you really believe that. Sure I do. It'll come. Don't hold your breath, kid. There's not gonna be any little engine or birthday trains coming here. It will come. I know it will. I know it will. I know it will. I know it will. Do work, do work. Wake up, Chip. Get up, you lazy bird. Leave me alone, Tilly. I could sleep all night. Chip, have you been eating those green worms again? Yeah. Well, a little work will get you going. Come on, Farnsworth. Refined engines such as I should never get up this early. It's bad for our jug. Oh, that's silly, Farnsworth. What would you know about it? You're just a little switch engine moving real engines around the train yard. Hey, what do you mean, real engine? Stop squabbling. We can't waste a minute. What is the assignment that I shall do some extremely well? You take that passenger train over the mountain to the town. Consider it done, old man. Keep 'em rolling, Tilly. Come on, Pete. Careful, kid. Don't bust a boiler. Ha! Are you kidding? Hold on to your smokestack. Boy, Chili sure fired up this morning. Achoo! Achoo! For Pete's sake, Pete, what's that smoke? Yeah, where's it today, boss? See that freight train? Over the mountain to the town. Nothing to it, boss. Be back in a flash. Oh, no. Achoo! Chili, where's that milk train? Hey, aren't you forgetting Jebediah? Shh, I don't want to wake him up. But Jebediah pulls the milk train. Not today. I have a plan. So you still want a train to pull? Hey, I'm an engine, aren't I? Settle down, girl. I'm on your side. Fact is, honey, I wouldn't mind if you were pulling a train for me. I got a little hitch on my chug along this morning. But you better get going. Thanks, Georgia. Jebediah, get that milk train rolling. I'm on my way, Tower. Huh? What kind of joke is this? It's no joke. I can do it. You're too little, kid. What do you know, you overgrown stack of lumber? She is not too little. Big blowhard. What you got for me today, Tower? That loaded toys and snuff over there. Oh, happy day, the birthday train. But it's empty. Rollo the Clown is loading now, so you better get going. Yes, sir. Don't you worry, Tilly. You'll have a train of your own someday. I hope I can. I hope I can. Are you ready? Ready to roll, Rollo? Okay, Jeebers. Grumpella! All right, come in. What's the rush? They'll never fit in there. Perky! Oh my! Oops. Handy Pandy! Coming. Stretch and Missy. Everybody! Oh, that sounds like the most wonderful train ever. Don't worry, Tilly. You'll get your chance. I hope I do. It's my honor to say I'm pleased to announce that it is time that we should, oh, come on, let's go. Yeah, let's go. I can do that. Are you still dreaming? You're not dumb, train. It's not dumb. It's worse than dumb. It's not even real. It will come. I know it will. I know it will. Ow. What? Who? Why? Where? When? How? Why did we stop? Yeah, like she said, I don't know. Something went spoing, and I just stopped. I sure am sorry. I knew it. I knew it. We're never going to get over the mountain. I knew it. Does it hurt? Oh, no, jeepers, it doesn't hurt, but I can't go either. As director, that is leader of the playthings, toys, I'm afraid, assistant, I help, at the last kind of thing, you know. Well, how about I just signal for help? I know. How about we just, signal for help? Toot, 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 toot. Jilly, something's wrong. It's Georgia, and she's in trouble. Duck, train in trouble. It's Georgia in the birthday train. There's no time to lose. Say toot. Toot! Well, you'll be all right. It's just a bit spunker-monger, but it won't be any mountain climbing for a few days. But, Duck, we gotta get the birthday train over that, the thing, that big, the lump, the mountain, today. I'm sorry, I've gotta get Georgia back to the roundhouse. But, why not just flag down another engine? Yeah, Farnsworth and Peter will be here along soon enough. Right, of course, that's what I'll do. I was just about to say that. I know an engine will come along, I'm sure it will. I think. Maybe. Please? See? I told you. Did I know or what? You're lucky, that's what. Stop! Oh, please stop! What do you think you're doing? What this sound clown's trying to tell you is that our engine has broken down, and the boys and girls on the other side of the mountain won't have any choice to play with or for good food to eat unless you help us. Oh, well, yeah. I pull you. I have just pulled a fine passenger train over the mountain. There, I was pulling smoothly so that fine people can enjoy the view, and so other fine people can sleep comfortably, and some other fine people in the dining car can eat. I, for the likes of you? Ha! Indeed not me. Indeed not me. Indeed not me. Ha ha ha. We aren't gonna make it. Well, he's not the only engine in the world. I didn't think he was the right one for us anyway. Ah, now that sounds more like the right one. This time, be careful. Halt, seize, wait, snap. Ha, nothing to it. On the other hand, hey, what do you clowns want? Well, our engine is broken down, and the good little boys and girls won't have any choice to play with or good food to eat, unless you are to be helping us, huh? You want me to pull you? Listen, kid, only this morning I pulled a freight train with a very important printing press over the mountain. It'll print books and newspapers for grown-ups to read about important things. I am a very important engine, and I don't pull the likes of you. I do not! I won't pull you. I won't pull you. Well, I told you that there wouldn't be any more engines to pull us. There will so. There won't. There will. There won't. There will. There won't. You'll have your old Chuck back in a couple of days. Poor Georgia. Yeah, Jerry, but now's your chance. My chance? Right, for a train. Tower, now what? Let me to take the birthday train over the mountain. You really want to do this, don't you, kid? I think I can. I think he's going to go for it. Never. Nix. No way, no time, not now, not never. No. There won't be any more engines. There will, there won't. There will, there won't. There will, there won't. Read my beak. No more engines. Excuse me, please. Oh, sir. Right. There will, there won't, there won't. Hey, quiet down. We're trying to talk. There won't. A train? So we need an engine to take us over the mountain, please? Listen, could you... what they said? Why, I'd love to. Yay! Yep, I'd love to, but my chug just isn't what it used to be, and going over the mountain is too much for me these days. Sorry, just can't do it, just can't do it. I just couldn't do it, Tilly. Well, if you can't, and if Bean Farnsworth won't, then there's nobody to take 'em. There's you. Yeah, there's me. Shh. What? Rockabye Tower in the train yard. Like I said, no more engines. Oh no, we will never go. Oh, dry up, Twinkle Toes. If we get going now, maybe we can make it to a toy store in time for Christmas. What, are you quitting? Listen to me. Quitters never, did you win? They can, don't you see? And winners, they never quit. Easy for him to say, but who's going to pull us? I think I can. No, great. Now we've got a miniature choo-choo who thinks she can pull us. I think I can. 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 When your feet are dragging on the ground, stand up and face whatever you're afraid of. When pandemonium is all around, that's when you find out what it is you're made of. If you just believe it's true, then there's nothing you can do. There's not a mountain that you can climb. There's not a river you can make it over. There's no tomorrow that you can find if you try. I know that you're gonna make it. Nothing can stop you now. I think I can. 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 There's not a mountain that we can climb. There's not a river we can make it over. There's no tomorrow that we can find if we try. You know we're gonna make it. Nothing can stop us now. 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 Turn back. You're too little. You can't do it. I think I can. You'll be sorry. Go forward, little train. I think you can. Turn back. I'm going over that mountain. You're too little. You'll never make it through the storm. Too little. I think I can. Phew, that was too close. Are we still alive? Everything's alright. Whoa. Too little. Too little. I think I can. One more try. You did it. I did. There's not a mountain that we can climb. There's not a river we can make it over. There's no tomorrow that we can't find if we try. You know we're gonna make it. Nothing can stop us now. Hooray! Jill, come out here. Look, the little engine brought the birthday train. I knew she would. I thought I could. You did it, Tilly. Yes, I did it. And it was worth it. Woo woo! Jimmy's mom, I hope you enjoyed my reciting of the legend that could. And I'll see you all later on the Meme Company. This is Carl Wheezer signing out. I'm out, dog.